Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a website analytics strategy with Google Analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by defining your website goals. Identify the key performance indicators that matter most to your business. Next, create a Google Analytics account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Google Analytics website and click on the Start for Free button. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once your account is created, you will receive a tracking ID. Copy this tracking ID for later use. Now, go to your website's content management system. Access the section where you can add HTML or JavaScript. Paste the tracking code provided by Google Analytics into the header section of your website. Save and publish the changes on your website. Next, familiarize yourself with the Google Analytics dashboard. Explore different sections such as audience, acquisition, and behavior. Set up goals in Google Analytics to track specific actions on your site. Go to the admin section and select goals under the view column. Create a new goal by choosing the type that aligns with your objectives. Input the necessary details to define the goal. Now, consider integrating Google Search Console with your Google Analytics account. This will provide insights into how users find your website through search engines. Go to the admin section and click on Property Settings. Scroll down to Adjust Search Console and follow the prompts to link the two accounts. After setting up, focus on creating custom reports. Custom reports will allow you to see the data that is most relevant to your strategy. Go to the Customization tab and select Custom Reports. Click on the plus New Custom Report button and define the metrics and dimensions you want to analyze. Next, set up regular review periods to analyze your data. Schedule weekly or monthly check-ins to assess your performance against your goals. Use this analysis to make informed decisions about your website strategy. Finally, stay updated with changes in Google Analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.